Very good morning to all of you students. Today I am going to solve decimals. It is the second part, exercise 7b. Okay. Here we will learn that convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. Decimal given, first change into fraction and its simplest form at last. Example given 0.9. Okay, so first, how do you change into fraction? First, draw a line and then remove the decimal places given 1. So we have to put 1 0 and 1. It means 10. Then you can remove. It means 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10. This is the answer. Okay, very easy. Same you can write 0 decimal 1 to 5. Draw a line and remove the decimal and put 0. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. 3 0 and then 1. 1000. It became 125 upon 1000. It can cut by 5. Okay, so you can cut 5 or 25 also. You can cut 25 5 za and 25 4 za 0. Again we can cut 5 1 ja 5 5 8 ja 40. It means 1 upon 8 is the answer. It is in simplest form. We can't cut more. Okay, and here 9th number, convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. You have to change into mixed fraction. First, remove the decimal 6.4, draw line and then count the decimal place, 1 decimal place, so 1 and 0, 1 0, 10 and remove the decimal. It means 64 upon 10. This can be cut by 2, 5 and then it is 32. So now we have to divide. So we divide 5 6 are 30. 2 is the remainder and then 5. 6 is to 2 upon 5 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Same process here. 7 0 0 4. Put decimal and draw line. And now how many digit? 1 2 3. So put 3 0 means 1000 and remove the decimal. You can cut this one 1000. Okay, simple. You can divide or you can cut by 2. So that is 7004 and this is 1000. So 7 times 7000 and here draw line and remainder will be 4 and it is 1000. And you know both can be cut. So we can cut one time 4 25 and 0. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 25 times 100 and 1 0 left, put 1 0. So this became 7 is to 1 upon 250. This is the answer. Okay, you got it. Now again convert each of the following into fraction in its simplest form. First we remove the decimal. After removing we change into fraction automatically. Now 125.125, remove the decimal. For removing 1 2 3 places here, 3 decimal places. So we put 30 as a denominator and at last we cut, we got the answer. Here also same process, we have to change into here mixed fraction only also here. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I solve the next question. Now I have taken next question. Convert each of the following into decimals. You have to convert this 23 upon 10 into decimal. This type of question you have also solved in 5th class. So simple, you have to write the numerator as well and put the decimal after 0 in numerator. How many 0 have been given? So 1. So put after 1 digit, this is 2.3. Okay, always count from the right to the left, means ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. Okay, so I hope you got it. Here also, first change into mixed fraction, 5 3 are 15 and 3 18 upon 5. Okay, simple. Now I teach you some other method. You have to convert. If you can convert the denominator to 10 into 10 or 100 or 1000, then you don't need to subtract. Okay, if you multiply by 2 denominator and the numerator, then the numerator become 36 and the denominator become 10. Now we can put the decimal in easy way. 36 write down and put the decimal after 10 given. So after 1 digit, 3.6 is the answer. Okay, it means you have to convert the denominator 10, either 100 or 1000, whatever. Okay, so now again I am going to take 7 upon 8. So with which number you can multiply to make? We can't make 10, also 100 we can't make. 1000, try to make 1000. If we multiply with 225, 225, if we multiply 225, then the denominator becomes 1000. 225, if you multiply with 8, this becomes 1000. And now you can multiply the numerator with 7 5s are 35. We have 3, 7 2 are 14 and 3 17. We have 1, 7 2 are 14 and 1 15 and the numerator 1000. Now put the decimal after. Write down the numerator given. This is 1575 and now put the decimal after 30. 1 2 3 here. Okay, in this method you have to convert the denominators either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, whatever. So this is simple. Also you can divide and you can write the answer. Now using decimal, express this 8 kg 640 gram in kilometers. You have to convert kilograms. Okay, so this is kilograms given. This part you have to convert. First write in additive form, 8 kg plus 640 gram. Okay, so this part don't change. Direct you can convert gram into gram given, convert into kilogram. So if you multiply 1000, this become kilogram. So this is 8 kg and this is 64. Put the decimal after 3 digit, 1 2 3 here. It means 8 kg, 8.640 kg, 8.64 kg. Okay, this type of question only you have to change gram into kilogram. For converting, you multiply, you divide with 1000 and get the answer. Here same question, 4 kilometer 365 meter into kilometers. Kilometers you have to convert. So kilometer, this part is given already in kilometer. Only we need to change 365 meter into kilometer. So we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So we divide 365 meter given. If we divide by 1000 this part, so this part become kilometer also. So 4 kilometer and this is decimal 365 kilometer. Okay, 365 and put decimal 1 2 3 place 1 2 3. we can put 0 also and add, that is 4.365 kilometer. Okay,
Good morning, everyone.
I hope you got it. Now we learn to add the decimals. How will you add the numbers, decimal numbers which have 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place. Now we learn how to add the decimal numbers which have different decimal places. Okay, so now count here. There is 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place. So 37 given, we can put decimal 00 whatever, and 5.91 decimal place. Okay, same given, we don't need to change anything. So you can write in column form 9.6. Here the decimal should be in same place. So first put the decimal, then 4, and before 1, and at last 8. And 37, it means 37 and 0 you can put, and here 5.9 point, then 5 and then 9. This form you can add this. Okay, and here also decimal places, 3 decimal place, 3, 2, and there is 1. So change first in like decimal, and then you can convert easily 14.5. If we put 20, then this becomes 3 decimal place, and here 0.038, also 118.573, and this is 6.84, and 10 we will put. Now you can write in column 4 14.500. First decimal write in the same line and put 0, and then 038. Okay, first put the decimal, then 8 1 1 8, then 1 and 1, and after the decimal 573, and this is the first put the decimal, and then 6, and after the decimal 840, and now you can add this way. 8 3 11, and we have 1 7 3 10, and 4 14, and 1 15, we have 1, and 5 5 10, and 8 18, and 1 19, and we have 1 also. Now put the decimal. Now 8 for 12, and 6 18, and 1 19, 2 1 and 1 2, and 1 we have, this become 3, and now 1. So this is the answer. Okay, you can do this one yourself. You can add now. First here you have to keep in mind that first find out how many decimal places given. 1 given, 1 given, then 37 had given. So after 37 we can put point and 0. Okay, and 5.9, so 1 1 1 given, so there is no problem. We can first write the decimal first in a same line. You have the vertical line, you have to put the decimal, and before the decimal number write, and after the decimal write. Okay, and here also there is not given in like decimal, so we convert into like decimal first and then arrange. The decimal should be in a vertical line, same line, and then okay, I hope you got it. Now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.